Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Arshia and welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about a very simple topic, that is hypertension. Okay, what is hypertension? Condition in which force of the blood against the artery wall is too high. Usually hypertension is defined as when the systolic range is more than 140 and diastolic range is more than 90, that is 140 by 90. So how one can get prone to hypertension? Due to unhealthy lifestyle, due to genetics, due to certain medications, due to certain underlying medical conditions. Now we'll study about signs and symptoms of hypertension. Some signs and symptoms are fainting, fatigue, double vision or the blurring of the vision, headache, irregular heartbeat, and everybody's favorite, nausea and vomiting. So how to control blood pressure? Try to focus on healthy lifestyle, like have healthy diet, go for exercise, try to reduce the weight, then reduce salt intake, limit alcohol and manage stress. Now we'll see some of the categories of blood pressure. We have 5 categories here. First one is healthy people whose blood pressure is 120
by 8.
And the second one is elevated range whose blood pressure is between 130 to 120 systolic range, and the diastolic range is 80 to 90. And the third one is stage 1 hypertension whose blood pressure is 140 to 90, and the fourth one is stage 2 of hypertension whose blood pressure increases more than 140 in systolic range and in diastolic range it is more than 90. And here the hypertension crisis is in which the systolic range increases above 180 and diastolic range is above 120. So in treatment part, to ease your understanding, we have divided it into 6 categories. The first category is ACE inhibitors, which are angiotensin converting enzymes, and for example these are lisinopril and enalapril. And the second category is ARBs, which includes losartan and valsartan. Now the third category is alpha blockers, which includes doxazosin and terazosin. The fourth category is beta blockers, which includes metoprolol and labetalol. The fifth category is calcium channel blockers, which includes amlodipine and nicardipine. And the last category, diuretics, which includes furosemide and hydrochlorothiazide. So this is some basic information about hypertension. So if you feel you're hypertensive, so please go and consult your doctor. Fine, thank you, bye-bye.